In the early 17th century, crossing oceans like the Atlantic was becoming less and less daunting since the number of colonial Americans traveling between the newly found America and Britain. As the waters became more familiar, English boats ventured out to find more land, like sailing south to find the continent of Africa. Upon arrival, the English were amazed by the number of Africans, as the tribal leaders were amazed at the goods and equipment the British were bringing. England and the tribal leaders wrote up an agreement to trade goods like gunpowder and alcohol for Africans for slavery. The British then sailed to the Americas to trade the Africans for supplies for the journey to England. These transactions of goods and people was the start of the slavery in the United States. These trades continued until the 19th century. At the end of the slave trade, the United States housed 12.5 million slaves who were mostly located in the South. The United States needed these slaves to pick cotton and tend to their houses. The conditions of slavery were harsh both in the journey over and in the enslavement. The boats that were transporting Africans were crammed with people and was the birthplace of many deadly diseases. It is estimated that 16.6 Africans were transported, while 4.1 million people died on the boats. When they came to America, it was the start of the harsh treatment of slaves and the systemic racism it encouraged.